Imagine taking a normal video, maybe a vlog you shot on your phone, or a 3D render you've been working on for weeks, and instantly transforming it into something that looks like it was hand-painted by Van Gogh, lit like a Blade Runner scene, or designed as if Pixar's entire animation team had your back. No complicated editing, no color grading marathons, no post-production nightmare. Just your footage reimagined in seconds. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what a new platform called Mago Studio is aiming to do. At its core, Mago Studio is all about video-to-video transformation. Instead of generating random AI footage from a text prompt, you bring your own video into the platform, whether that's live action you shot, an animation sequence, or even something rendered in 3D. Then, Mago applies a chosen style to that video, preserving the motion, structure, and details, but reimagining the look. Think of it like having a powerful style filter, but way more customizable, consistent, and professional than what you'd find on Instagram or TikTok. Video editing and post-production have always been heavy lift tasks. If you've ever tried stylizing footage, you know it usually means a lot of compositing, masking, color grading, and sometimes frame-by-frame editing. That's not just time-consuming, it's expensive. Even indie creators often outsource that kind of work. AI tools like Runway, Kaiber, and Pika have started to make this more accessible. But let's be real, a lot of them either feel like gimmicks or produce results that aren't usable at a professional level. Mago Studio, on the other hand, presents itself not as a toy, but as a serious creative tool designed to fit into real workflows. And that's where things get interesting. The real difference with Mago Studio is the amount of control it gives you. Most AI video tools feel like slot machines. You type in a prompt, hit generate, and pray something good comes out. Mago takes a more professional approach. You can actually tweak parameters, fine-tune the look, and compare iterations side by side until you land on something that feels right. They've also included practical tools like render queues, which means you can set up multiple transformations and process them without babysitting your computer all day. That's the kind of functionality video editors are used to, and it shows that Mago is thinking about workflows, not just flashy outputs. One of the most exciting parts of Mago Studio is how it works with 3D renders. If you're a 3D artist, you know the pain of rendering. Waiting hours, sometimes days, just to test how a scene might look in a different style or lighting setup can be brutal. With Mago, you can take a plain render and instantly restyle it. Imagine turning a standard gray-shaded animation into something that looks like concept art, or giving a realistic render a stylized anime finish, all without re-rendering. This could seriously cut down production time and open up a new level of experimentation. Now, Mago Studio didn't appear out of thin air. The team behind it actually built a prototype called Warp Fusion, which caught fire in the creative community. Artists were posting wild experiments with it, testing the boundaries of what AI style transfer could do. That early traction gave the developers insight into what people actually wanted, not just cool results for social media, but tools that fit into real creative processes. And that's how Mago Studio was born, refined with professional workflows in mind. So, what do you think? Is Mago Studio the breakthrough we've been waiting for, the tool that finally makes AI video practical for creators, or just another shiny experiment that will fade in a few months? I'd love to hear your take, so drop a comment below with how you'd use it. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to IdeaPlex for more explorations into the future of creativity, AI, and technology. Trust me, this is just the beginning. The creative landscape is changing fast, and we're going to be here to unpack it every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.